Okay, so as we're doing this Lions Park project, we're hearing a lot of different people in the community talk about what kinds of things they want to see. And one of the things that comes up a lot is a dog park. And someone mentioned that there's a dog park over at Allsups. And I was like, really? I don't remember ever seeing one over there. So I'm over here at Allsups, and they have a little dog park tucked away back here. So I figured I'd walk on over here and see what it's like. It does look to be a pretty small dog park, but it is a little fenced in area if you want to let your dog off leash for a little bit. Dog park. We were at the Pocket Park tennis courts this morning doing a community cleanup of that area, and a lot of people use that tennis court area as a dog run, a huge dog run. So this is the dog park in Whitney, courtesy of Allsups. So they've got the bags and the trash can, water spigot, bowl, spot for shaded area, and I guess that's real grass, or maybe turf, I don't know. But it's not a very big park, but it is available for anybody who wants to use it. FYI and all that.